I'm going to share with you 5 colored pencil hacks to help with your drawings.
Welcome! My name is Jessica. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about art tips and other arty things, this channel is just for you. Okay, so my first tip is to test your colors on a piece of scratch paper before you put them on your drawing. Sometimes colored pencil colors look a bit different when you actually draw with them than the color that is put on the barrel of the pencil. And because colored pencils don't erase that well, you could be stuck with whatever color you put down onto your paper. So to avoid making some huge color mistakes on your drawings, test a color you are thinking about using on some scratch paper to be sure that is the color you really want to use for the area you are working on. My second tip is to use smooth paper types when drawing animals with fur. Fur is best done with burnish blending and making your strokes with a lot of pressure and burnish colors to the paper. And this is the easiest to do with smooth paper types, like your Bristol Vellum, drafting film, or hot pressed paper. If you are using paper that has more tooth to it, it isn't that it can't be done, it will just be harder to get the look you are going for with fur. Like for example here, I used Strathmore medium drawing paper for this Cocker Spaniel drawing. Tip number 3 is to use pencil extenders for your little tiny pencils so that you can get all of your money's worth with them and make it easier on your hands and fingers to use. You can get a variety of different kinds, but all are similar in that you put your colored pencil in the tube and tighten them in there to secure them for drawing. I particularly like the wood ones for them to not be colored so that I don't have other colors going on and get confused with what colored pencil I'm actually picking up. I usually keep all of my colored pencils in a tray on my drafting table, and so it's kind of hard for me to differentiate which ones are certain colors if the tube to the pencil extender is a different color than what the colored pencil is. So I just prefer neutral colors, and you can buy these pencil extenders on Amazon and in some craft stores. Tip number 4 is to use a blow dryer to blow hot air on your drawings to remove wax bloom. This heats it up and gets rid of that white film. However, the best way to prevent wax bloom is to just spray your drawings with a fixative immediately once they are finished. I use a Krylon workable fixative with my colored pencil drawings. It doesn't darken the drawings too bad, just a hair, but it's really not that noticeable. I don't think it's certainly harmful in the end results of my drawings, but you don't have to use what I use. There are loads of other options out there for different fixatives. And lastly, tip number 5 is use colors with your blacks. Ever wonder why some of your black shirts aren't the same shade of black? That's because black is not just black. It's various shades of browns, blues, purples, and other colors. So to help your drawings look more realistic, use some dark colors on your drawings first, and then finish the last few layers with light coats of black until you get to your desired color. If you would like to learn more colored pencil tips, you should check out 1 or 2 of these videos. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook to stay up to date with my latest artwork and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.